New Hermes agent update is insane, and today I'm going to show you exactly why. AI just learned how to make videos, like actual beautiful animated videos. By itself, this is the thing that was supposed to take years to happen, and it's here now. You're going to see how Hermes just flipped content creation upside down. And if you thought AI was just for writing words, you're about to have your mind broken. Okay, so let me just get straight into it. Hermes agent just dropped an update, and this one is different. This isn't just a small tweak or a bug fix. This is a full-on new skill that Hermes can now do. It's called the Manim skill. And when I first saw this, I actually had to read it twice because I couldn't believe it was real. So here's what's happening. Hermes, which is already one of the most powerful AI agents out there, can now generate animations. Not just any animations, we're talking about the kind of animations you see from channels like 3 Blue 1 Brown. If you don't know 3 Blue 1 Brown, it's one of the most popular math and science channels on YouTube. Beautiful visuals, the kind of animations that make complex ideas look simple and clean. People spend weeks making those kinds of videos. Hermes can now do that from a single prompt. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, okay, Julian, that sounds cool, but what does it actually mean? Let me break it down for you, nice and simple. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. While he's out helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here bringing you the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below and he will see it. So first, what is Manim? Manim is a tool, a Python-based animation tool. It was originally built to create high-quality math visuals, the kind of visuals you'd see in a university lecture, but way prettier. Graphs moving, equations building out on screen, lines and shapes that help you see an idea instead of just reading about it. Up until now, to use Manim, you had to know how to code. You had to write Python. You had to put in real time and effort. Most people couldn't use it. Now Hermes does it for you. You just type what you want. Hermes writes the code. Manim renders the animation. Done. That's the shift. That's the big deal here. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Hermes already had a ton of capabilities before this update. It has persistent memory, so it remembers things across sessions. It has a skill system, meaning it can have different capabilities plugged in like modules, and it has automation workflows, so you can chain tasks together and let it run. The Manim skill just got added into that system, which means you can now build a content pipeline that looks like this. You give Hermes a topic, it researches it, it writes a script, it generates an animation, and it outputs a finished video. That whole pipeline, automated. Think about what that means for a second. Before this, if you wanted to make an explainer video, you had to write the script yourself, then find an animator, then go back and forth with edits, then wait for the render, then edit the final video. That process could take days, sometimes weeks if you're working with someone external. Now you can go from idea to animated video without doing most of that work. Hermes handles it, you just guide it. And look, I want to be really straight with you here because this channel is always about real information, no hype. This is not me saying AI is going to replace every creator overnight. That's not what's happening. What is happening is that the gap between having an idea and producing something visual just got massively smaller for creators, for educators, for anyone who wants to explain something visually. That gap just got closed in a big way. Hey, by the way, if you're finding this useful and you want to go deeper with AI automation for your business, come check out the AI Profit Boardroom. The link is in the description. This is where we help you actually apply tools like Hermes and Manim to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours using AI automation. If you're serious about using AI to grow, that's where you want to be. Go check it out. So back to Hermes, let's talk about why the Manim skill specifically is such a big deal for content creators, because I think a lot of people are going to miss this. Explainer videos are one of the best performing formats on YouTube. They have been for years. Why? Because people want to understand things. They want to see complex ideas made simple, and the channels that do this well, they grow fast, they get shared, they build trust. The problem was always production. Making those kinds of videos was hard, it took real skill. Now AI can do it. So what does that mean? It means the barrier to creating high quality explainer content just dropped to almost zero. Anyone with access to Hermes and a good idea can now produce the kind of visual content that used to require a whole production team. Let's talk about what you can actually make with this. The Manim skill is built for a few specific types of content. Math breakdowns, so if you're explaining a formula or a concept that involves numbers and equations, Hermes can animate that for you. Algorithm visualizations, huge for anyone in tech or software. You can show how a sorting algorithm works, how a system flows, how data moves. Engineering diagrams, data storytelling, turning data into moving visuals that actually land with an audience. These are all things that previously required real technical skill to produce. Now they're a prompt away. And here's the open loop I want you to think about. If Hermes can do this now, if it can go from text to fully animated video, what's the next step? What does this look like in 6 months, in a year? Because right now we're at the beginning of this. The Manim skill just launched. It's going to get better. It's going to get faster. It's going to get more customizable. And the creators who start figuring this out now are going to have a massive head start on everyone else who waits. Let me also compare this to what other agents are doing right now, because I think context matters here. You've got other AI tools and agents. Some are focused on automation. Some are focused on browsing and research. Some are built for writing. Hermes is doing something different. It's becoming a full content engine, not just text, not just code, actual visual output, and that's a different category. That's the kind of thing that moves the needle for creators in a real way. Now, I want to be clear on something. I'm not saying you should abandon your creative process. The best use of this tool is to work with it. Use Hermes to handle the technical and time-consuming parts, the animation rendering, the code, the visual logic, so you can focus on the ideas and the strategy. The best creators are going to use this as leverage, not as a replacement for thinking, as a tool that lets them do more with less effort. And here's another thing worth thinking about. The type of content this enables, educational, visual, data-driven, performs really well on YouTube, not just in views, in trust. When someone watches a clear animated explanation of a complex topic and they actually understand it at the end, they subscribe, they come back, they share it. That's the kind of content that builds an audience long term. And now you can produce it faster than ever. So let me recap what we've covered so far, because there's a lot here and I want to make sure it all lands. Hermes Agent just added the Manim skill. This lets the agent generate 3 blue, 1 brown style animated videos from a simple prompt. Manim was previously a coding tool that required real technical skill. Now Hermes handles all of that for you. You can chain this into a full automated content pipeline: topic, research, script, animation, output. This is huge for creators, educators, and anyone making visual content. And the people who start using this now are going to have a big advantage as this technology keeps improving. Now, one more thing I want you to think about before we wrap up. We talk a lot on this channel about AI tools, and there's always a question underneath all of it. Is this actually useful, or is it just cool? With the Manim skill, I think it's both. It's cool, obviously, but it's also genuinely useful in a way that changes how you can work. If you're making educational content, tech content, business explainers, this is a tool that directly improves what you can produce and how fast you can produce it. That's the test I always apply, and this one passes. All right, 2 places I want to send you before you go. First, if you want to go all in on using AI to scale your business, get more customers, and automate the stuff that's slowing you down, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. We go deep on tools like Hermes, we share exact workflows, and we help you actually implement this stuff in your business. Link is in the description. Come check it out. Second, if you want the full SOPs, workflows, and 100+ AI use cases like what we covered today, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community. Over 38,000 members already in there doing this every single day. You'll get the video notes from this video in there too. Link is in the comments and description. Come join us. And if you found this useful, drop a comment below. Julian reads every single one. Tell me what you think about the Hermes Manim skill. Are you going to use it? What would you animate first? Let's talk about it down there. See you in the next one.